When the weather heats up, Bluebell banana pudding ice cream offers a refreshing escape. This delightful treat combines rich flavors and textures, making it a standout choice for ice cream lovers. Bluebell banana pudding. Ice cream is a nostalgic blend of sweet bananas and creamy richness. The natural sweetness of ripe bananas is perfectly balanced with a thick, creamy base, creating a silky, refreshing summer treat. What sets this ice cream apart is the addition of crunchy vanilla wafers. These wafers add texture and contrast, enhancing the creamy experience. They pay homage to traditional banana pudding, ensuring each scoop is a delightful journey. Crafted with high-quality ingredients, Bluebell uses fresh bananas, thick cream, and sugar. The bananas are carefully selected for ripeness, and the ice cream is churned to achieve a light, fluffy texture. Pair this ice cream with warm chocolate chip cookies or fudge brownies for a richer experience. For a refreshing twist, try it with a berry compote. Each serving contains around 200–250 calories, with 12 grams of sugar and 3 grams of protein. Enjoy this treat in moderation for a balanced indulgence.